2 Pioneers and 2 Audio Legions.
Ported or sealed?
It's sealed right now.
Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
This yours?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. I'm making a video for YouTube, man.
Oh, I appreciate it.
You want to give me a walk around?
Okay. Where do you want to start?
Everything.
All right.
Go
so
ahead, man.
I've got a 5,000 watt throttle amp. For that 5,000 is just on these 4 15s.
Okay.
They're mid-bass 15s. The Stensums for my the 2 super tweeters and the 2-inch horns.
Yes, sir.
In the trunk I have 4 12s. I have 2 Audio Legions and 2 Champion Series. 2 extra batteries. I have over here. I have 2 Equalizers. 2 Equalizers just for the one for the 15s and one for the horns. And the doors I have 3 Bemas each door. They're still under construction though, but there's a bullet tweeter here, and 3 8-inch Bemas in the backs. It's still a lot under construction. It's nowhere close to being done.
Yes, sir. Okay.
But, you know, running a 300 amp alternator, zero gauge all the way through the car. That's really it. That's really all I can tell you.
What's a meter? Have you metered it yet?
No, I haven't. I want to though.
Okay.
But once I get like a bigger amp for the 412s, because the amp I have out on there right now isn't really pushing it the way it's supposed to.
Okay. Can I see the box?
Yeah.
I like your rims. Look at how low that is. Wow, that's a low. What vehicle is this?
It's a 04 TL.
Okay. So you have 2 Pioneers.
2 Pioneers and 2 Audio Legions.
Ported or sealed?
It's sealed right now.
Okay.
I need a ported box.
You think you could fit 4 with a sealed ported box in here,
yeah,
probably?
Definitely.
And you got
The extra battery right there, and there's an extra battery under the...
underneath? Same
yeah.
thing or a different
Same
side?
thing.
Okay. What are these?
What, the batteries?
Yeah.
I think they're lithium batteries. The MG lithiums.
Yes. You built the box?
No, I did not build the box.
Okay.
I built those boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're mid-bass 15s and
Yeah.
tweeters.
It's still a work in progress. It's
all right, man.
just starting out. There'll definitely be a lot more later on.
Let's see it flex. What was your name?
Jason.
Jason, okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it alright if I sit in here?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Heck.
Had the fizz around the corner. Get the package every week. I got the straps in Arizona. I flooded out the bitch. I had to put the paddock on her. shelters. Got me blue and red like a cop car. Money on the bed, still ain't said what's the total. Heard it's hard on crew, we gon' splash when they roll. And that new shit, that's a car. Money, big boss. And that Richie Billy, it gon' TikTok. Splash water. I be cooking out the pot, I just gave away my little fat. I just put off in the room.
Oh yeah. Man. That's pretty loud though for four boxes and 4 subs in a sealed box.
Yeah.
'Cause-
I definitely need to get a portable.
Yeah, when you go ported, it'll probably be a little loud, probably a lot louder.
It's so nasty.
Oh yeah. So you could put these in the back.
Thanks for showing me. Thank you for showing me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Droppin' Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.